Yo, what's happening? What's going on? It's 6 o'clock yet? Come on, go hit that MHP. Turn this down a little bit. It's gonna get me too fired up. Okay. Hey, it wasn't an April Fool's joke. This is real. I am here. I thought it was an April Fool's joke the whole day, but now I'm here. This is happening, and we are doing this, the Rocket Scooter AI show, right here on YouTube. I'm happy to be here. I'm the substitute for the day for your boy, Sir Darb, who's doing some real work tonight. I said I'd step in and do it, and it's big shoes to fill, but I'm going to do my best. And we're going to find some trades. And hopefully this is actually working. I'm going to scan here and let's see if we're crashing or if, and I don't mean that in the market sense. I mean that because I had to rocket scooter this thing all day long to get to where we are right now. I guess it's happening. I'm seeing good evenings. I'm seeing happy people in the chats. I'm seeing, okay, Rocket Scooter AI, the boss is there. AKA Matt. AKA Matoski. Neon Cucumber. Thanks for that. That Matoski, that thing's gonna stick. That's a beautiful nickname. One for the books. And thanks for letting me know, boss, that I've made it on here and we are surviving and I can now just kind of get into the swing of things. All right. I've got some other tunes we can play here in a minute, a little less hardcore as we check out tonight's festivities. I was hoping at 6 o'clock we'd get this drop all the way to MHP. Maybe some of you are already in the trade. But anyway, okay, before we get too far, I am your substitute teacher. I am BJ the DJ. I can write this on the board like we are in school today. You don't have to call me Mr. BJ the DJ. Just BJ the DJ is fine, or BJ, or if I'm in big trouble, just yell at me. Like say Benjamin. That's if I'm in really big trouble. That's who you're dealing with tonight. I want to thank Rocket Scooter AI Matt. For letting me do this, and of course Darb, he's been helping me out all day today, and I'm just excited to be here. Hopefully you had a good day trading. It was a day with potential, I'll tell you that much. I believe, I didn't see because I was working on this so much, but I'm pretty sure that Matt, I mean, he was up there at the top all day long waiting for that thing to drop, and I bet money he stayed with it because that was a good fall today. Well, yeah, from the high at 66.54 on ES. Right now we're at 66.13 on ES. I trade ES, I trade NQ, and I trade Rocket Scooter. That's the reason why I'm here because like a lot of traders, I was trying to find, the right place to be and the right place to learn. And if you're in that zone, this is where you want to be, and we'll get into some of those things later. Today, as your substitute, I'm going to try not to mess too many things up. I'm going to try to keep things like normal. For example, we will have some giveaways today, but I have been left some strict instructions from Mr. Sir Darb. First of all, no FOMOing, no YOLOing, unless we have that perfect A+ setup. Okay. Second of all, you don't need to raise your hand before you go long or short. Just have at it. Do as you will, but make sure it's an A+ setup. A couple other rules. No revenge trading. And A+ setups are what we're looking for here. But if you don't find the A+ setup and you still see a trade you like, just size down on that thing. Okay. That's the strict instructions from your teacher. And if we follow our rules, I have also been told that our boy, Mr. Slacks, we have a 25K funded next rapid funded account that will be awarded to someone today. That thing's going to be different when that goes down, because I tried to get the same Wheel of Destiny thing that Sir Darb uses, and it sent me to some error 404 page. So we're going to go and be creative with that. We'll get ChatGPT's help, but you will all have a chance to win that as long as we hit our likes. We got to hit those quotas. So bring them in strong, bring them in fast. Mr. President Trump's going to be speaking, and I'd like it if we could get these likes taken care of before then, and we can have our prizes, festivities, games, extravaganza, and then we can see what Mr. President has to say. As you know, as he speaks these last few days, that the market shimmies and shakes at the same time. Pretty amazing. 150K take profit trader account will also be given away today. Stay tuned for that. Hit the likes, subscribe if you haven't. If you're new here, this is not normal. This is different. It's going to be different all day. Right now in my mind, I'm like, you need to play those chill, cool beats in the background. And I haven't done it yet, but I need to do that. That would be nice. Also, let's keep an eye on this. The way I like to trade this right now, and I think a lot of you would agree, the extremes have been the best bet in these conditions, because you're either waiting or you get sucker punched and an extreme happens right in front of you, and you need to be ready. At least that was today, but I feel like that's been the last few days. So let me get some beats in the background here. Yell at me if I'm missing anything, but we'll get some beats, and then I'll get back to the agenda that I keep starting reading and then getting sidetracked. All right, I got this. Watch this. You go to this right here like this. Yes, very nice. Beautiful. There it is. There it is. Okay, go to this Sumo. Hey, what's up, Sumo? Oh, wait. Yeah, we know these. This is a good one. This one's solid. We'll start with this one right here like that. Okay. You'll also notice that I did not set up my DOM right here like everyone else has. I just ran out of time. Okay. I've been working long hours on this to make it as beautiful as I could for you. I don't have the DOM, but we'll do old school. We'll just go clicky clack like that. And I've got a few accounts over here. Here's some Tradeify accounts ready to go. I got a brand new one. They got those brand new 25Ks over there. And then I've got a couple of others, and I've got a funded one. If necessary, I'm ready. All right, now then we go to this right here like this, and Sumo jams and play. Wait, y'all may hear that already. Do you? No. Oh, geez, getting awkward now. This is the awkward substitute teacher phase of the program. Oh, you got to hit play. You got to some DJ play. You know you want to. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Still got it. Show the kids I got it still. Can you play any songs? There you go. Check our levels. This sounds fine in my monitoring situation. You know, this is going to be so crazy. Because what's happening right now is when I'm talking like this, I immediately flash back to my DJ days. I spent 10 years just like this, just with this. It wasn't this microphone, but it was a microphone. It was actually these headphones. These headphones. Oh gosh, I do not need to tell this story right now. You need to pay attention. Very fast version of this story. These headphones, every celebrity that came into my studio, no matter where I was, I would switch the headphones for the interview. Because we always had some, crusty guest headphones. So I would switch them out, give them my good headphones so that I could then say such and such celebrity has worn my headphones. So over the years, that accumulated. And as time goes on, I can share that story. What is that buffering? Don't you do that. Okay, let's trade. All right, let's look at this. Hang on, I have a message from Mr. Slacks. This is worth checking. In the meantime, check out these nice jams. Oh, my HP's off. Oh, Slacks. You know what they say about Slacks? They've been saying it for a long time, that this guy's the legit. Everybody loves Slacks. I already loved him, but now I'm going to have to send him a Christmas card. I mean, we're at that level already. Wow. Okay, so my NQHP, that guy, he really knows his stuff. Well, what's the thing? Let's see, where were we? 100 points over. All right. So that would be 025. That would make a difference. I'll tell you that. I'm going to double check this because I'm looking at the wrong. It's this one. Does that mean this one is 025? Oh, another thing that I challenged myself with is, as I was practicing this yesterday, the setup at least, I had the monitors switched. So I don't even know what I'm thinking right now, but I appreciate, I do see some comments that have been nice. I don't see anyone quitting. I don't see anyone calling it a night. I appreciate you hanging out. It's probably going to get weirder. That I can promise you. Oh, here we got an MHP number. Alternator. What? And last night I saw I should maybe watch out for you, but this is a positive thing. You're helping me out right now. 24,125. So that was right. Now I got to double check what my Slack's talking about. Thank you. HP. Oh, my HP. Unbelievable. I don't know. I apologize. It's the HP. Oh. I'll get better. This HP's a little off track here. Okay, so what's the HP number? This is a test. This is why, another fun fact about me. So after I DJ'd for 10 years, then I taught for 10 years and loved it. And this is the kind of stuff I taught. But I was good, not because I was good, obviously. I was good because the kids would step up and make me look good every time. Kind of what's happening right now. MHP 24,125. Okay, we're good on that. Oh, here we go. 165. Ah, Slack's the man. Woo! Oh, this is easy. There's such a team, such a community. Wow. I just gotta calm down. Look at this. 165. Oh man. Wow. Well, that says something right there. That's a level you can believe in. Wow. Okay, now we're paying attention. Now I could have bought that. Oh, these levels, man, I tell you. Love me some Rocket Scooter. Okay, well, let's do this. I think we're rolling now. I don't think we're crashing. I think I've been awkward enough as the substitute teacher. Anything here in the agenda? I like that from our boy Neon Cucumber, this guy. Let me tell you, Matt we know is brilliant. Oh, hold up. What's happening? I like these extremes. I know we got Trump speaking. I thought things would be a little more chill preparing for that, but you never know what's going on. Part of me was thinking in the right conditions, I might, grab a little bit of this here. Let me think what I really would do in an ideal situation. I think I might, there was kind of a peak in the afternoon, and we could go and get some highs and not just go from that close. It's a pretty strong move. But I doubled down again. And I just could have been a good little scalp. Okay, I'll keep an eye on you. All right. Okay. No, what I was saying though is that what I'm gonna bring here, I'm not a Rocket Scooter. I'm not a Matt. There's just no way. But the guy is an incredible streamer. He's an even better person. I can't stress that enough. But I'll never be as good a streamer as him. The guy just is so smooth and just brings it and has the knowledge. And I am just so impressed, especially someone who has the background I have. So impressed by the guy. He can do so many things. So I'm not that. Neon Cucumber, this guy shows up. You can learn every bit as much about trading just watching him, watching his seeds, his just demeanor, his approach, and his discipline is something you can learn from, and that I learn from every day, and that I need to get better at. Believe it or not, I can be a little quick on the draw here. But Neon, I'm so happy that he's a part of this community and that I get to watch him every day because he's just great. I'll never be that smart. And then you got this show, The Night Shift, the great Sir Darb. The only thing I can knock this guy on is I may be better at Top Golf, but other than that, we all know the most beautiful man in trading. Certainly the most handsome Asian hours trader on YouTube, but I'd put him up against any trader. We have in our community the most beautiful, handsome Sir Darb, the host of The Night Shift, and I'll never be that. So, in the meantime, I'll be your substitute here. I'm going to do my best and try to stay on track and get more comfortable with these buttons. The buttons have changed a little bit over the years, but this is nice. This is the way to do it. This is the future. Okay, back to the agenda here real quick. I think that's it. I think that's everything. We're gonna get the likes up and pumping. We're gonna have some giveaways, and let's see what we can get in this market. We're getting some movement. We're up 40 points here. Once y'all finally got my level correct. It's okay. It's not anything to be too crazy about right now. This all the time. I'm so used to headphones. It's just a habit. Okay. Smash the like button. Oh, I've been wanting to say that. Again, it's out of love and respect. I want to say it anywhere I go. I think it's something we could take, in the grocery store. Smash it. You want me to punch in my pen? Smash it! Smash it! Oh, God, what a guy. Where did that guy come from? All right, I'm going to pay attention a little bit. The music is loud. Thank you. Yeah, it's hard for me to tell. Hopefully that makes a change in it. I bet it did. Let me know if that's still loud. That's what I would need to know, because I don't have my monitors set up correctly. It's part of what I've been battling today is so there's something up with it, so feel free to let me know. Yeah, as a DJ. Yeah, Farina. Wow, it's Farina. Oh my God. Pleasure. Oh, Farina. Oh my goodness. Wow, such a pleasure. Thanks for the help. There you go. We know you're amazing. And yes, this is something I was thinking about, kind of like Rocket Scooter was ahead of the game at, streaming futures. Well, one thing I was ahead of the game is that I believe I was one of the very first DJs to play music digitally, because working in radio, they would often hire a DJ to go out to an event. And I would, you had CDs at the time, which were terrible and awful, and you just go back and forth. You were busy the whole time. Well, as soon as laptops came out, and as soon as you could rip a CD, I was already working in radio stations. I would just rip all the music, and then I transitioned from CD to digital to a laptop, and then eventually where you have two laptops and you're just, before the software came along, and then the software finally caught up, and here we are today, where you're broadcasting everything in your house. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna read some chats here. Wow, Farina, what a day, what a day. All right. 621. That could have been a good, just a tiny short. It could have just been. I think if I was focused on just trading right now, I might have tried that close. At least I wouldn't have gone for the full move here. Except I do believe we're going to go down and hit MHP. I only think that just because that's the way it's been. It's just been. As soon as you think things are cool and chill, it just slams. Up or down. Oh, okay. I'm going to wait. I'll wait for extremes, though. Did anybody get April Fooled? That was really my biggest fear coming into this. I'm on edge. I'm on my toes because, I don't want to get April Fooled. I thought everyone would think, though, that Sir Darb was just fooling everyone. Except it is a Wednesday, and he did. Last time he missed was a Wednesday. How do I see how many likes we have? Oh, I guess I could. Oh, wait, there I am on my own monitor. All right. Okay. That's funny. We're all like black hat crew. And honestly, I usually always wear a black t-shirt. I just do. I wear black, just like Matt, to everybody here. I don't know what it is. And we know it's not a Texas thing because Neon's in on it, and we have the hat and I just wore this one because I wanted to pop against my chair today, just for the first day. I'll be back to black. Don't worry about that. Gold ripping? Oh. Okay. Let me get rid of that. I don't need Apple and NVIDIA. See what gold's doing. I still hope that music's not too loud for you guys. again, I can't monitor it like I normally would. So it's like at full level in my ear holes. Oh, there goes gold. Let's see what oil's doing. Okay. All right, what are you gonna do, NQ? Turn it down, turn it up. Oh, I've got. Yeah, that's the life of a DJ. I'm used to that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, but thank you everyone for showing up. I mean, I know y'all do this anyway, but I appreciate it, and I'm gonna try to do the best I can so you guys have a good time, so we get some cool prizes. Fabulous treats and prizes will be given away today. I didn't really talk like that. That was just when I was pretending to be a DJ on the radio. That's the sounds you make when you're the pretend DJ, but we'll have fabulous games and prizes coming up later on. Smash the like. Smash it. I'm gonna let him have his thing, but I just, again, homage to smash the like. That's gonna, he needs that merch for sure. Good old smash it. And Darb looks different. Not a whole lot though, to be honest. Although he is way more beautiful. He is the most beautiful man in trading. We all know that. So, a boot camp. My first boot camp. What a great day. What a great day. What a great day for Rocket Scooter. What a great day for America. And what a great day for me. My first boot camp. This is, hang on. This is just beautiful. Come here. All right, I got you. Oh, what a guy. Kevin. Oh, what a fine American. Well, maybe, I don't even know. I'm just so used to radio. You would just say, you would use local. This is not local. But Kevin, thank you anyway, regardless. I gotta make a note of this. Slacks, things are happening. This is my Slack notebook here. This is just for Slack. All right, so I got 20 G's on it. We all know that equals 4. So, according to our teacher, Mr. Sir Darb, we can give away those boot camps as long as we still hit the 400 likes. Smash away. Smash away. Wow. What a great day. What a great day. I didn't know what that would feel like. Okay. Thank you. I'll remember that always. You know what? I also will remember the first lights on. I was there for the very first lights on. Beautiful. I'll never forget that. Drop and give me 20. Another one? I can't. This is crazy. Oh wow. Drop Traders LLC. Thank you. You know what? I'm gonna name my first child Drop Traders LLC. Oh my goodness. That equals 8. So maybe, do we even, man, we need to get these knocked. Maybe we can knock some out along our journey here. Maybe as we're waiting for this MHP tap. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you very much. Do I have to do 20 push-ups? Is that for real? What's I gotta do? I was thinking you already don't put your levels on there. I'm doing it. I'm doing the push-ups. I don't know. I'm getting led astray here. It was the same thing when I was a teacher. This would happen. It's common. Can this? This is crazy. This is crazy. This can't be. Oh dear. Oh dear, the light's gone. The light, I got it. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Could y'all even see me doing push-ups? I couldn't even see me. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I could have just gone like that. You could have seen. I did them all. I did. They were perfect form. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Let's do that from now on. To help the cause of the boot camp and your fellow future traders, from now to infinity or my arms fall off, I hereby announce that I will do a push-up for every dollar raised for boot camps hereto for Rocket Scooter AI LLC Inc. and so on. Thank you. Whew. All right. I don't know. I get carried away there. Hopefully that will be not too many today, but beautiful. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Those boot camps, it's no joke. If you haven't done it, hopefully you'll win one tonight. But it's bang for your buck. It's the best you can get, and it changed my trading life. It's why I'm here. It's really because I traded. So I did 10 years of radio, 10 years of teaching. I've done about 5 years of trading now, but my first 3 really were just swing trading, nothing like futures, nothing really even day trading, and nothing scalping for sure. Well, that's a different animal, and I was just getting destroyed for like 2 years, just trying everything, doing everything. And then I did the boot camp, and I watched the streams, and here we are. So if you haven't done the boot camp, you got to do it. And hopefully you'll win one tonight if you need one. But if not, go get you one, because it makes a difference. And I need to go through it again. I've been through the last 4 live ones, and I've watched it once, but now it's been a couple of months. So I'm going to go back through the newest one on my own since I did it live, now that I'm even better at understanding what's going on and what's happening. So, all right, it's hanging out there at the close. Let's see. Oh, the same for yes. All right. Well, we are in good hands, guys. We got Slacks, in the background, and we got Farina. So this can't be too bad. Okay. I can't go too off the rails because there's hope, and we have such a solid foundation. I think we're going to make it. Quick, donate 100. Oh yeah, I also did. I mean, I really got into this the last couple of, because this will help explain some things. I didn't know I was doing this today until, I guess I had more than a day heads up, but 2 days ago, I did not know that I would be here tonight doing this. So that can help you understand kind of where I'm coming from. And I also didn't realize all the changes I would need between how I trade in this setup versus how you stream in this setup. So it's been crazy. I mean, I didn't miss sleep over it, but I've spent a lot of time just resetting all this stuff. So then you know how you trade. When you go to trade and you have this goes here, and then like this right here, and then I have this screen here, and then my orders here, and then my YouTube here, and then my phone here, and it's all smooth and nice and beautiful. You can put your feet on the table. It's not that bad. When you stream, you move everything around, and now I don't even know where to look for what, except right there. What we do today, we look to my right, and we have the Rocket Scooter platform protecting us, preparing us for what lies ahead. And hopefully tonight we'll get some, I can get something like this. This is my first squiggly, y'all. And there's sure. It'd be probably not that easy. Could be. Maybe up in 2. Okay, as we wait in anticipation, we're gonna go hover down there and then rockets, because you don't know, because the president they're very unpredictable, but I'm sure he wants to get a good message out. I'm not gonna trade on that. I'm just thinking for our levels and if they'll get kissed or tickled. Isn't that what we do here? We tickle the levels. That's a master class in Sir Darb. He is the best. He should have his own seminar on what is it? Tickling. Tickle the. Wick tickle. He's a professional wick tickler. I've never seen anyone quite as good at that. Oh, there we go. Sorry, dead air in the music makes me flashback too. Like, oh, what was that? Oh, wow. That's Sir Darb? Oh my gosh. Wow. This is amazing. This is beautiful. You taught me so well. We spent a lot of today together, on the devices. I don't think I've wrecked it. I think you still have a show. And that's the goal, right? When you have a substitute, we'll clean up at the end. We'll pick up our mess, and then we'll get your class back to you in no time. What a guy. Most beautiful man in trading. Oh, hey, we got you 40. We've raised 40. Oh, so that's going to be 8 more giveaways. How are the likes? Where do I see likes? That I've not found out yet. Maybe if I full screen this and see what this does. Still don't know. That's cool. It's cool. Curious if anybody else shorted the daily close up there. I wasn't reading the chat at the time. That's right. Don't forget, hit the like button. We get 200. We are off to the races for our 25K funded next rapid account, as well as 150K take profit trader. You know it. You love it. You're going to have a chance tonight with a little different game. Can I tell you, it'll be a little bit different because it was a 404 error. I could show you what happens, but I was dedicated because it was going to cost $10, and you go and you sign up for this thing, and Sir Darb does some magic. He's got to use 2 different tools to make it happen as beautiful and wonderful as you're used to, and as a spinny wheel. And I was ready, and some error did not work. Tried about 3 times, and then you try it more than 3 times, that's just too much. So I came up with an idea, and this is something that I do too. When it comes to games and prizes, I've got a lot of experience. You're in good hands. Some people don't like change, but change is going to happen because I'm the substitute, and I'm supposed to make some people mad just being a substitute alone. So the first version of the game, when we get to 200 likes, is you're all going to write a comment, because I do know I'm able to grab the comments. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and a celebrity guest host through ChatGPT will decide as them what the best comment is. Caveat, twist, you're not going to know who the guest host is. And the guest host will be a celebrity. That's just the idea that hit me in that moment of panic when I had the error and I couldn't sign up for the spinny wheel of destiny thing. So that'll be the first game we play. The second one, I don't know yet. It'll be something along those lines. As long as the first one works, I don't know. It may not. But so far we're flying. We are flying. The market is not flying, but we are flying, and sometimes that's all that matters. What a great bunch of people. Oh, and so then, in all this prep and learning and practicing, I had to learn Suno. What is it, Suno? Or, because now I've been out of the classroom for like 5 years, so Suno. I would have known that. I mean, you learn everything when the kids are around and the vernacular and but I've been kind of out of that. But yeah, so I was making jams last night. Matter of fact, I had to cut myself off. And I'm trying to earn these points. And I was like, you gotta do real work. They're not here to listen to you make music. You don't make music. You played music because you were no good at making music. So you played music. I don't have any of that talent. Any of that Matt. Well, Darb does too. Yeah, I can't. No, that's why I just play music. But with Suno, my intro, I was so proud of that. Oh, I'll play it again at the end because yeah. Oh, what a fun time. Okay, again, thanks to everyone for hanging in there with me. I just have this doubt. It's like, until you get because it gets in anything you do where everything feels like a typewriter, you're just in the zone and you're just flowing. I am not there right now. This is survival of the fittest. This is you fell off the boat and you're like grabbing the rope and you're trying to swim and pull the boat. That's what it feels like. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get back to trading. It's the music. I'm telling you, because when I hear music, I didn't expect this to happen. I flash back to radio where it's just that vibe. And you're interviewing somebody, or the phone lines are lit up, or oh my gosh. Or your boss would come in and want to talk sales. My goodness. All right, let's try it like this. What if I don't listen to the jams and I get down to business? Because I want you guys to also know that I love this rocket scooter. I study it. I'm going to be great at it, and I need to get better at it. but I'm not going to get better at it unless I focus on it. And anyway, okay. I'm going to focus on the chat, and I'm going to look at our charts, and let's talk some shop. And I wonder, there was some real good potential today, and it's kind of been fun. It's been hard trading this stuff, and it's got me a couple of times. Like, it's really been hard. Like everyone's been saying, it's been tough. What's different with me is I'm getting better, like, because of Rocket Scooter and just being here every day for like a year now and doing the boot camp over and over. And with me, the problem has just been the discipline, not doing it like Matt, or not doing it at the, the discipline with your trade size, and then not tilting. It's like, I think with all of us, if we just follow our rules, we'd be done trading. But what Rocket Scooter does is it gives you a clear rules to follow, and you see the results. That's where the best part is too. Like, you really will. It really will make the difference. Oh, Papa's back. All right. Matt's back. Had a meeting. I bet that was some good stuff. Exciting. Don't tell him. Well, no, he may like the push-up thing. Just don't tell him that I did it off camera. Oh. I kind of think we go down for that MHP. I think so. Oh, what was it? I was just amateur. Anyway, then I had to vow and pledge that I'm going to do push-ups for every boot camp we get, 20. For every $1 we get for boot camps, I vowed here 2 and 4-2 on the honor of Rocket Scooter AI to do push-ups as they come in. So I just didn't move the camera. Coming from radio, you don't worry about the camera, and that's why radio died and everybody podcasts, because then you got cameras. So bad habits, but I'll do better. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for explaining it. All right, where are we now? We are at 6:47. I don't know how many likes can this. I got us looking at us up here. I just want to get to 200 so we can play the surprise celebrity comment picker ChatGPT game. Never been played before. I just invented it in my head as soon as I was crushed from the internet error where I couldn't get the cool spinny wheel. Donate 1,000. Oh God! If you donate 1,000, I understand. So he would get taxed. You would get taxed if you donated. Yeah, no, we can't have that. That would be painful. Painful. I'm so sorry about your tax situation. Oh man, 1,000. I don't. Oh, that's a lot of boot camps. Whew. I do think it's gonna drop. You're gonna drop, aren't you? Go ahead, do it. 7 o'clock. Could be a good time. Everybody getting antsy. Because that would be, 9 o'clock Eastern is 8 o'clock us. Okay. Gives us about a little over an hour. You're not going to cross the close, are you? You're going to stay right there. I could do a 1, right? Hey, thank you. Darb is my pleasure. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, things just got real. I was thinking about I may get a small trade there, but oh no. Oh, Neon. Y'all I said nothing but great things. I got to keep up with math now. That is well, this is something I can add. So we got 50 push-ups plus 20 push-ups. That's going to be several more boot camps. So, yeah, do that math. The bottom line is I've got to do 70 push-ups as long as we're not in a trade. Neon, Sir Darb, just great, wonderful. Sir Darb, the most beautiful man in trading. Neon Cucumber, just one of the absolute best. Creative, brilliant, beautiful as well. Lovely stream. I never missed a lights on ceremony, just so you know. I'm listening all day, every day. Today I was kind of distracted, but I had you on, buddy. I was there. I'm stalling now. So I either need to make a trade or 70 push-ups. Could do both. No, I'm doing the push-ups. I'm doing the push-ups. All right, camera.
Now pump that price. Give it a tick more. Oh, that feels nice. Now hold it,
I
baby.
apologize for this. This was not in the script. This is the worst place to do push-ups. 70 push-ups. Whoa, it dropped. God dang it. God, I knew it. I knew it. Oh. Okay, this is not ideal, but it's for the right cause. It's for boot camps. I made a promise. Hope I'm on. All right, 70. Funny. What is going on? I think it's another 20. Holy mochaccino, this is a 15 more. I think. Don't count. Don't do a replay. Okay. That's good. That's good. Woo! This was not... I don't even know what's happening. What is going on? Whoa, that was fun. Look at that. Yeah. I would have got out of that. Wow. It finally moved. Is that news? Let's see what we got here. I got news ready for you. Woo! I hope that was 70. I think so. We might have found the max, ladies and gentlemen. Darb, Neon, thank you. Community thanks you. And the proud winners of these boot camps will thank you as well. 70s, that's a number. I think the windowsill isn't the best place for push-ups, but you know, we're growing, we're learning. I know doing this with the camera is not professional. I apologize. Thank you. Thanks for hanging. DJ Bear. I can't even. It's a whole nother story for another time. But when the time is right, you'll hear the legend of the DJ Bear. Been with me the whole time. Thick and thin, ups and downs. Radio station, like 5 different radio stations. Classrooms, the works. Okay. Oh. At least, okay. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it. Whoa. Matt says 57. That was 57. Does that mean push-ups or... Hopefully you are talking about something else. 57. 57. Wow. I'm going to have to... Do I owe 13 push-ups? I can't owe push-ups. I can't. I got to do 13 push-ups. I'm just gonna do them. I'm gonna do them. You'll be able to see right here. I can't owe push-ups. I still kind of feel like we can short this here. Huh. All right, it dropped last time. 13 more. I gotta find a better spot. Okay. All right. I can't have y'all thinking I'm slipping. All right. Five minutes till 7 o'clock Central, 8 o'clock Eastern. Let's see what happens. That's like
Well, the charts went silent.
have another market open, right?
Matt kicked open the saloon, yelling free stuff, son. He's got prop firm bounties in a burlap sack and a boot camp lasso.
Let's see what happens.
Across his back. It's a giveaway bonanza.
It's just gonna wait. It's just gonna wait for Trump or something, maybe something at 7. You missed the dip because you were counting. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll do better eventually. 70. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Matt Evans. I appreciate it.
Folks say he can outtrade a rattlesnake.
Bro, you guys are a mess. 10 shots of whiskey. Wow. Oh no. That would be a show. I think I'm just nervous to take a trade in front of you guys. I think I can't do that. It's not very cool if you're like, well, I think it's gonna go down from here, and then you don't put on a trade. That's not cool. All right, let's see. 3 minutes till 7 o'clock. How many likes? How do I know how many likes? I don't even know. Fabulous games and prizes will be given away today, everybody. Just stay tuned. You did not miss the dip. It was just a sweep. Very nice. Oh, those shoes. These are the J's. These are the J's, Nike J's, but they're house shoes. I don't know if you recognize the J's, but house shoe version. I wanted to wear shoes because I wanted to feel like I was at work on the air again. To do that, you have to put shoes on, but at the same time, I have a nice, beautiful carpet. I didn't want to put the real shoes on the carpet, so I used my J's, my house J's. Solves the problem. All right, let's see what happens at 7. Because I think I'm gonna buy around MHP. Because it's just, I mean, things are hitting marks and things are moving. You know, if you get extremes enough, it's been some good trading.
Straight and clean, feeling mean. Then my guzzle passport at 9:15.
Don't try to swim in those, no. Yeah. They are really big. They are. These do not leave the house. You're not going to see me out in the clubs in these J's. You'll barely see me out in the clubs. I think if I'm going out, it's only because Matt's doing something. Very rare. Smash it! Oh man, what a crew. All right, let's see. Here we go. 20 seconds. It's more like it could squeeze up, right? Take some stops and then go down, something like that. What are you gonna do, buddy? You can go straight down to MHP? I am so excited to trade in front of you guys though, because I'm gonna follow the rules. And it's like I see Sir Darb do it, and of course Neon and Matt just are masters. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stick to the rules. I'm either gonna make it or I'm gonna hit my stop loss. And but we know the numbers don't lie. There it is on that HP again. At 24,165. Isn't that right, Slacks? Great people. Okay, this is I'm kind of getting in. This is the angle I need to be. Okay, this is, sometimes when you take someone's show, when you're the substitute, it's like putting on someone else's shoes, because these are Sir Darb's massively big, beautiful shoes, metaphorically, and I'm filling them, and the bumps are in different places, and my foot doesn't fit in there right. That's kind of how it feels. But right now, if I get like this right here, at this angle, I can see the charts, I can see the chat. This is how you do it. Okay, not so bad. Feels pretty nice. Shorting till MHP. That's the kind of guy. Fishing with Michael, that's the kind of, I'd fish with you 100%. Like that attitude. Just knows he's going in. He didn't go up there like me and like, well, this is great. You could really short it here. That would be fantastic. And then look at this guy goes, no, I'm shorting it here. I'm going to go catch some fish. Then when I come back, and I'm going to make money and have fish for dinner. So Michael does. Look at this. Beautiful. Tapping. Okay, all right. Yeah, all right. Make sure things are still okay. Yeah, we got that. Yeah. All right. That's what we'll do, I guess. Although I kind of like this. I might have to get my 50K account, I may even want. I'm kind of excited about the Trump speech. I mean, because if it really adds an element to this, night trading to this time of day. You never know. It could be crazy. I kind of think it's going to be crazy. Is that what y'all think? Fucking crazy. Because it's just been crazy. It's just been a crazy candle out of nowhere. But then it hits a level. And I've missed so many because I just wasn't ready. I was, believe it or not, I was distracted. Go ahead. 7:03. Is it Japan now? Is it China? I don't know. What do you want to do? Some longs? People thinking longs? Wow. I mean, it's worked. That HP. That 165 HP. What if I'd have never got saved by Slacks in the gang and I was just, my HP was way up there 100 points. I'd have been like, wow, I wonder why it's bouncing here every time. Rocket scooter levels, man. Okay. HP longers. Like your style. My voice is louder. All right, so we already were at 8 boot camp giveaways, and then we had a donation of $70. So that would be at least 12. Yeah. Yeah. So 12, 20. Wow! 20 boot camps. We'll be giving away today. Especially because my main goal, my ultimate goal, if we can hit the 400 likes, I think, because Sir Darb's been doing it. He's been doing it, hitting that 400 likes, and then he rewards you guys. And then there is one sensitive issue that we need to talk about. I have in my notes here, and that is about tucking you in. I am not qualified for tucking in tonight. I'm not. You know, he's a loving, beautiful man, and he has children, and he even has 2 just beautiful grandbabies. The man knows how to tuck you in the right way. I don't. I'm not even going to try because it would not be at the right level of tuckage. And when you're single like me, tucking in it's a whole different situation. So yeah, I'm not tucking anyone in. You can stay for me not tucking you. I will certainly not tuck you in, but that's what will be happening. No tucking in from this guy. I'm just not the right one to do it. It wouldn't be the right level of tuckage. So if you don't want to be tucked in, I will make sure not to do it at the end of the show today. Feel free to stay for that, as I will not be tucking people in. I'll be doing something else. Ooh. You down with MHP? Could be. Could be. Oh, DD bands. Where are my manners? Are these are probably good, right? These are good now. 23933 on the lower DD band. That's a hike. Whoa, wouldn't that be crazy if that speech gets us flying around those? Yeah, we got some. They look right. And I'm pretty sure they update after 5:30 or something. We got to get to this MHP first. Oh, yeah, I'm not rad. I guess I should recap. That is a thing, and Matt does so well. It's like It's like Matt was trained as a broadcaster because everything he does on the stream is just like textbook what they teach you in radio. He just does it either naturally or just knows what he's doing. And but yeah, I am not Darb. I'm just not pretty enough to be Darb. But I like Darb. I like him a lot. He certainly helps me get ready for this. I'm just the substitute. And we all know when the substitute comes in, it can be a disaster. And I'm trying to not make it too much of a disaster. I'm trying to, as a substitute, you also want to get hired back again. So we're going to have a good time. We're going to have fabulous treats and prizes. We're going to have boot camps galore. Update, this is new to the rocket scooter industry. If you donate $20 for boot camps while I'm on the shift, I match it in push-ups. I can't afford to keep up with you guys, but I can do pretty fair amount of push-ups. We learned tonight, maybe it's 57 is the max. So if you could cap your donations. Oh, okay. Other than that, yeah, Brad's just off for tonight. He'll be here tomorrow. No one's getting tucked in tonight, so I will be here to not tuck you in if you want to be a part of that. But Brad will be back tomorrow, and you can. The fallen soldiers will be dealt with. I do have a note here. If anyone experienced revenge trading today, and you lost a soldier, you need to fill out a full report. Get that into the in the fallen soldier video will be played in honor tomorrow. But yeah, again, I'm not authorized at that level. That's another level of training that I do not have. But yeah, I'm just here to keep the party going. Don't mind me. Well, if you have any tips or suggestions for this MHP trade here, feel free. I think we may, I may pull up Trump when he's on. I think that's probably what most people would want. I have no problem not doing that, but, oh, thank you, Kevin. No problem not doing that, but I think I just look at it from my perspective, because this is what I'm usually just, watching the stream like you guys. And I think I always like it when they do that. Sometimes they don't have the volume right on it. And so I turn them off and put it on another screen. So I don't want to be that guy. The other thought is I'll have it playing and then recap, but I think we'll just play it. I don't know. I'll tell you what. Here's what we'll try to play it. If it works, we'll play it. If it doesn't, we won't. That's how that'll work. That's a great plan. Come on down, buddy. All right, well, so 7 o'clock didn't quite push us. But if you were in the short, you're having a good time. You were in good shape. Now, some of you were buying the HP here. Nothing wrong with that. But maybe some people are taking profits into 8 o'clock. Do I trade? Yes, I trade. I do trade. Thank you. That's a great question. If you're asking me the question, Mike, yeah, I do trade. I promise I do. I trade too much. Believe it or not, I overtrade. Not today. As a matter of fact, I did one trade today. I did one trade pre-market, and then the rest of the day I worked on all of this monstrosity of a beautiful setup here, and I got $200 in that. I had a new Tradeify that I just got that in this morning, but that was it. That was pre-market. Something was crazy pre-market, and then when it kind of settled out, I think I bought going into yeah. But that's all I did today, and then like a chump, I said, I should just short right here. It would be fantastic, and then I didn't, and then I was doing push-ups, but I think my push-ups are what led to that drop, and then a lot of people got that HP there and lived happily ever after. I hope. Oh my gosh. Let's see, how long you've been trading? I've been trading for 5 years, but the first 3, I wouldn't, you wouldn't, you know how that goes. It just wasn't, well, it was good, but I wasn't day trading. I was just swing trading. You know, back about 5 years ago, that was kind of easy to do. And, but yeah, I'll get into that story, kind of the whole history, but really, I think what's most important is right now, the last 2 years I've focused on day trading and futures trading specifically, and just finally getting where I feel comfortable, I feel good. You know, I'm making payouts, and so yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. And now it's just all, you know, when you get to that point where you just follow the rules, and I just got to make it routine and discipline. And that's why I'm excited about here tonight, because if I do take a trade, I am going to follow the rules and stick to it, and not, you know, cut it too short, or not get in the trade, or, you know, I'm going to do the right things, because y'all are here to hold me accountable, because I'll get squirrely on my own, but that's what I'm really working on finally. But yeah, I'd say I'm finally feeling comfortable for the first time, and it's thanks to Rocket Scooter, or else I wouldn't feel nearly as good. I was doing okay, but I wasn't getting consistent payouts until Rocket Scooter. Which reminds me, 20 giveaways for the boot camp will happen tonight. I have strict instructions. I can't. I think I can give away some of these, but the teacher, when the teacher leaves instructions, the substitute has to follow the instructions. I think we all know that. We're all aware of that. And the instructions clearly stated you can give away the 4, because he already had 4 saved for me coming in. Oh, that's another 4. Anyway, he already had 4 ready for us to go if we hit 400 likes. So smash it. Smash it. It's not as good, but I love it just as much. Smash that like. 200 fabulous treats and prizes going to be given away today. Brand new game, never been played before. Probably been played before, but just not here. At least in my head, we got a brand new game that's never been played. Celebrity guests will pick from the comments. Everyone will have a chance to comment. We'll see how that goes. And if it goes, if we get to 200, stay tuned to find out. $15 points off of that. Okay. No, what I'm going to do, if I get in a trade, I'll actually leave it on the Tradeovate screen. I do apologize. I promise you, I will set up my DOM just like Matt and Neon and everybody in Darb. I will set it up the exact same. There's only so many fires I could put out. I just thought, look, I've got so much experience in audio video technology. I mean, just probably 20 years of audio video technology experience. I thought I'm going to show up to this OBS and I'm going to be like, what do you want me to do? You want me to put it in a login? You want me here, drag and drop this? Fantastic. No, does not work that way. It is a fantastic, crazy. NASA must have developed this thing, and it has every button and option and adjustment. And in 20 years of audio video experience, I still can't monitor appropriately how loud the sound is for you guys. Can't do it. So I was working on that, and I didn't get the DOMs up. I apologize. It's I just ranted, but it's from the heart and my soul, deep in my soul. But yeah, it's going to be right here. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be the best DOM you've ever seen. It'll be done. Oh my goodness. We do have prop accounts. Prop accounts going to be given away. We got to get to 200 likes. Another thing I haven't figured out is how to see how many likes. That is stupid for me to say. I can at least pull that up, or y'all could tell me how many likes we have. Please tell me I don't have to add push-ups for likes. I couldn't. That's too much. 200 likes, everybody. We'll have, let's see. I'll tell you what we got. You asked, I'll tell you. We got the 25K funded next account will be given away. That's the rapid style. Also, 150K take profit trader account gonna be given away at 200 likes. I know we're gonna get to 200. Why? Because we always get to 200. So as soon as we do that, and especially if it's before Trump speaks, we will celebrate in style with a brand new game. You've never seen this game before. It is called the Guest Celebrity Picture Comment. Celebrity host, comment, picker, game of the day, something like that. I don't know. I haven't even named it yet. That's how fresh this game is. Whoa, we're past. We did it? It's 288? 289? Well, this makes sense. This can't be an April Fool's joke. It's got to be real. I'm just going to. Oh, 260. Oh, money. All right. Well, let's double check that I don't want to talk like I'm going to get in the trade and then not do it first. Okay. All right. That checks out. Yeah. And let's try this game. Okay. Fantastic. The way this game works. I have a game song. Do I want to mess with it? Do I have everything? Don't mess with it. Just look. Pretend in your head, okay, that this an incredible game song was played. It made you tear up. It was so funny. And I danced to it. That was the plan, for real. Like, I was going to play the game song. It's brand new, fresh. No one in the world has ever even heard the song. Oh, then they're going to want you to play it. I should do it. Sing the song. You don't want that. I promise you, you do not want that. That is one thing I do know. You do not want me to sing ever. Okay. Wow, it's moving though. It's moving, kind of moving. But I promise to give away. Ooh, wait, what are you doing, buddy? You gonna bounce and go, or you gonna drop and party? Go ahead. We got a game to play, but if you're gonna bust a move, I'm ready. Oh, that's looking. What are the vibes now? I'm kind of getting a different vibe. I still think people are gonna. Well, maybe they're gonna get long for the speech. I don't trade that way, but I do. And I know Matt talks about that, but we like to discuss it. So when the potential we're thinking of happens, we're ready for it. We're prepared. Okay. I know some of you took that HP long. It's kind of cool. All right. Let's do a giveaway. Crud. Okay. Everything else is going fine. Let's see what we can mess up now. All right. The way this is going to work. This is crazy. I can't listen to that. Brand new game. Game of the day today. All of you that want to participate in this game are going to leave a comment in YouTube. Not yet, but this is how it's going to work. You'll leave a comment, a random comment. The celebrity guest picker on ChatGPT will be told to pick the best comment for whatever reason. Challenge is, the caveat is you don't know who the celebrity guest pretend picker on ChatGPT is going to be. There's your challenge. There is your game of the day. Now is the time we play. So, starting now, let's do this. Evidently, I've learned that I can copy the comments. I will then take the comments from YouTube. I will put them into ChatGPT, where I will ask a wonderful celebrity guest to pick the best comment for whatever reason, and that person is going to win $25K funded next Rapid account. And then I guess we'll see how that goes, and then we'll decide how we do the next one. We may do it the same or an iteration of it, or maybe something like that. So I'll explain it again. I just see Leo's comment. You're losing me to ADHD. It's understandable. This game is a brand new game. I couldn't get the spinning wheel to work. And then again, I ran out of time. So this is the game that hit me. And we'll try it. This game could be the greatest game ever made. I don't know. We won't know until we try it. Trump is going to be talking in about 35 minutes. In the meantime, we've got MHP to wait for and some fabulous treats and prizes to give away. So for the next 1 minute or so, leave a random comment. And I will select a celebrity to pick the best comment. This gets crazier the more times I say it out loud, but we're going to do it. It's either going to be great or we'll never play this game again. It is the celebrity guest comment picker game. All you got to do is put a random comment into YouTube. I'll take the comments and put it into ChatGPT. Somebody will win, and we will all live happily ever after. I'm just going to give like a minute for your random comments. What celebrity will I pick? I don't know. Actually, I think I know. I'm pretty sure I know, but you won't know. So maybe the celebrity will like your comment. Maybe they won't. Maybe ChatGPT gets it wrong. We'll never know, but we're going to try. Just put a random comment into YouTube. Celebrity guest comment picker game. First time on earth this game has ever been played. If you win and our celebrity guest comment picks your comment, you will get a $25K funded next Rapid account. I hope this works. Woo.
You've been chasing strats for far too long. Chasing ghosts of trays gone wrong. You mapped it out, you know the way.
In the meantime, if you're just tuning in, I am BJ the DJ filling in for Sir Darb. Sir Darb is he's just off tonight. Every once in a while, he has to work late at his other job. And then, so here, I'm your substitute trader for the day. And my job is to not mess anything up. So far, so good. Let's see how the game goes. Hopefully, you've had a chance to put in a random comment. And I'm going to copy these. Let's see how this goes. Well, let's get ChatGPT ready. I may show y'all this. That could be fun. Yeah, let me do. Let's pull it up here first. The old ChatGPT. The game of the day. ChatGPT celebrity guest is gonna pick your comment live on the air. Let's see how this goes, everybody. First time ever. Winner's gonna get a $25K funded next Rapid account. All right. Dear ChatGPT, I am going to paste many comments from our rocket scooter YouTube stream. you will, in the character of a celebrity that I choose, will choose the best comment that we think that celebrity would choose and explain why. Something like that. The celebrity to use is, I'm not going to tell you right now. I will tell you after I paste the names. And this will be the greatest game ever, or we'll never play it again. All right, now how do I get these names? All right, right here. I will. All right, Sir Darb said the 3 dots. Oh, that was for the pop out. No, maybe participants. Okay, hang on now. This is gonna be different. This is different. Wait a minute. Wait. I think I can do this. I don't know how I can grab. I know I can grab participants. So we've got a plan B if this doesn't work. All right, let's try this. No, I haven't copied your comments yet. I see deep fried pickles. I don't know. That's kind of around these parts. I don't know if that's we'll see. Okay. It's working. It's working. All right. All prices and programming subject to change without notice. Restrictions apply. See dealer for details. And the celebrity is going to be Taylor Swift. I'm going to paste this in right now, and we will find out who the winner is. Okay, yeah. We got it. Oh, this is beautiful. It's going to work. Show me the money. Big money. This is the greatest game so far. All right. Channeling Taylor Swift energy. She's not picking the loudest, weirdest, or most random comment. She usually gravitates toward things that feel relatable, self-aware, a little witty, emotionally honest, with just enough humor to feel human. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. Whoa. Okay. All right, what is going on here? That's which Ashley takes trades. Taylor's pick. Taylor picks this. Taylor picks at Ashley takes trades. Trade idea, 10 out of 10. Entry, questionable. Exit, character development with charts and look at this. It worked. We did it. We created. We've been sometimes it's like when they landed on the moon. They didn't know how to land on the moon. They just were like, we're going to go land on the moon. That's like the rocket scooter story. He didn't know if he put the rockets on the scooter it would work, but you know what he did? He put the rockets on the scooter and it worked. This isn't at that level, but we tried a new game and it looks like it worked. And we have a wonderful winner. That's going to go to Slacks. Takes trades. Just to be safe, because I just... All right, so what you're going to do, Ashley takes trades, if that is your real name, you're going to go to the descriptions and you're going to mosey on down there to the comment section and join the Discord. Probably you're in there already, but if not, sign up and maybe you'll win a free boot camp. That'll get you hooked up anyway, but go down there and then you're going to hit up Slacks and but don't do it yet because I haven't sent everything to him. But maybe he's already taken care of it. Who knows? Look, it's my first day, but I'm proud that you're the winner, and I'm glad we survived this. So now it's going to work. So now we know, and maybe just for simplicity's sake, we'll do something very similar to this here right before Trump comes on. And I can only assume we're surpassed 300 likes at this point. And we'll have another one coming up just before Trump, maybe in like 10 minutes. We'll talk some shop here. And then maybe even get a trade. Wow. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, we'll have another game coming up. Let's do the game before Trump speaks, and then we'll figure out that situation. Oh. Okay, now I got to get back to regular chat so I know that we're still okay. Okay. All right. All right. Ashley already typed. You guys handled that. Good job. It looks like you got, she did. Wow. Wow. What a success. It's a success. We're making it okay, ladies and gentlemen. We've done a game. We've already won a bunch of boot camps. We've got some new procedures and policies in place. The whole team is making things happen in the chat, even though I'm not doing my part, but it's such a great team. Y'all are doing it. The market's shaking a little bit, so you know everybody's had a chance to play off this HP either way. What a great day. What a great day. And this is my angle. We've learned this is my angle right here if we're really talking shop. I can relax. I'm telling you, it's just the music. When I put the music in my ears, I flash back to 10 years of being on the radio and DJing and music, and it just, I turned into an animal. That's crazy. Oh, I gotta hone it in. Rein it in a little bit, at least for trading's sake, for educational purposes and reasons, because I'm also a teacher. I was a heck of a teacher. I'll get into those stories someday, but not right now. We got another contest coming up and we got some trades to make. All right. Oh, hey, thanks for that. Thanks for that comment. Chest of frack? That would be, you know, what would be, I shouldn't talk about this, but what would be good about that time is because it really is like a kickoff. It is like, because I did think if I could do any time, that 5 o'clock, I mean, that's like a kickoff. I mean, that's like get the party started. That's like, so yeah, let me be the hype man for Sir Darb. And I'll do 4 o'clock too, because no one's on at 4 o'clock. That's when I can get all the pent up energy out. We'll recap things and then we'll get into real trading. That'd be fun. That's a good idea. I like that. I'm with you, Esteban. Nothing till Trump. We just been up and down right here, and not even like we got that big 40-point move, but really it's been like just 10-point bounces, but slow. All right, what do we got? Let's see. We are 22 minutes away, so here in about. Let's just give it another 5-10 minutes and we'll do another game. We will give away the 150K Take Profit Trader. Thanks to our boy Slacks. That is what he says we have today. 150K Take Profit Trader. Going to give that away in about 5 to 10 so we can get that finished before Trump speaks. Then I'll try to pull that up for you guys. If it works, we'll do it. If it doesn't, we won't. It'll be fine. I'm with you, Farina. I kind of like that. What do they call it? Rush Hour? The Rush Hour Show. Live at 5. It's Rush Hour. It's Rush Hour in the market. We're about to open. Oil, oil has come down a little bit. Gold's still up there. Y'all are right, though. The market's just holding. Hold.
The rocket scooter reaper.
We are waiting for Trump. All right, let's think about this game now. Let's reassess. Let's see. So that game, I think it went okay. I don't know the feedback. I just got to go off of my gut feeling. I think we did invent a game. And wait a minute. Wait, drop trades. Drop trades. You're talking about suck up to Taylor Swift in the next comment. Remember, the challenge of this game was you didn't know who the celebrity was. So do we stick with that, where I pick a whole new random celebrity, guest picker, or do you guys go with Taylor Swift and see if you can swoo? Is that the word? You don't know. You swoosh fan. You woo Taylor. I kind of like that idea. We already have the chat established. We can be like, okay, we know it's Taylor now. Oh, there you go. Off the HP. Going to the up to the close. Getting ready for the top of the hour. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, let me scroll up on the news. I wouldn't even. There we go. Okay, that's just market's just moving. Okay, getting ready. I think maybe are they buying? They're buying in anticipation. What's the high that we want up here? Oh, that's that yellow line from earlier. I was thinking this might be a decent level around here. 24, 260, but I wouldn't do anything real with that. Not me. Okay. Some good volume. Okay. Yeah, nice job. Those of you that took that HP trade. Wow, nice work. Teardrops on my guitar. That's a good one. All right, I think we'll do that. I think we're gonna do. We're gonna leave this game where you know who the celebrity guest picker is. We all know now that we have a 150K take profit trader account to give away. We're familiar with the game now. The difference is this time around, feel free to leave another comment. We'll keep Taylor Swift. We have Taylor Swift on standby through ChatGPT. She is going to pick the best comment for whatever reason Taylor Swift would pick it. We know it's going to be Taylor Swift. That's the difference this time around. If you can write a message and get our ChatGPT Taylor Swift celebrity guest picker to pick your comment, you're going to win the 150K Take Profit Trader account, because I couldn't figure out how to do the spinning wheel thingy in time. Look at the market go. It likes our game. Woo! They're getting ready. They're getting ready for it. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and do that. So we'll finish off this game before I really think the market's going to move a lot, especially coming up at 8. So if you want to compete in this for the Take Profit Trader 150K account, Taylor Swift's going to pick it. Leave a comment. Something you think Taylor Swift would like. I already saw one. Well, I'm not going to share it because, it might, they're probably proud of their idea. Let's see what happens. I'll 30 seconds or so. Show. Faux show. Jelly beans, that's good. Kansas City Chiefs. Oh, Travis for MVP. You guys know what you're doing now. The people came to play. They want the 150K account. Hit ya. Oh, that's good. Oh, you guys are creative. All right, and again, last reminder, you are writing a comment that you think Taylor Swift would pick. And our celebrity guest picker from ChatGPT will be Taylor Swift. And the best comment, according to our ChatGPT, Taylor Swift will win fabulous treats and prizes. And then coming up in the 8 o'clock hour, we will broadcast a Trump speech, and somehow in there, hopefully it won't be a whole hour of Trump speech, and then we can knock out, we've got 20 boot camps to give away thanks to some wonderful, lovely donations from the excellent people in our community. And you'll have a chance to win that coming up, because I know we'll be at 400 by then. It's a tradition. It's a late show tradition. Okay, let's do this. This is exciting. Let's get Taylor ready. I can't believe it. Now the market's moving. It likes our game. I'm going to select all the comments now. Oh, wrong computer. Let's do the right computer. Here we go. I gotta go like this right here. I'm selecting all the comments. I know, I'm impressed by the creativeness of chat. Oh. That did it. That did it. Copy. All right, let me have a chat with chat. Okay, buddy. Dear chat. Let me get this right here. Dear chat. This time, we need you to pick the comment that we believe, that you believe Taylor Swift would. It makes a difference how you word this here, because I could word this love the most or think is best or as much. So you believe Taylor Swift would love the most. That's it. I think that's kind of the goal we had in mind, would love the most. ... I'm going to paste it. Well, y'all can see this. Y'all probably use one. Let's press the highway. The DJ Day Trader. Unbelievable. This is the guy. This guy, yeah, I've seen this guy before. People often confuse him with me. I am not the DJ Day Trader. I am a DJ. I'm not the DJ Day Trader. I promise that's not me. I know he's been mentioned before. He's won before. Let's see. This is the pick. Wow. It's wild how life can turn full circle. The moments you thought broke you end up shaping your best work. Grateful for the chaos that became art. This is a clever guy. He went out there and was like, what would Taylor Swift appreciate? That's deep. All right, DJ Day Trader, you did it. You did it. Oh, wow. It worked. Congratulations, the DJ Day Trader. You get the 150K Take Profit Trader account. Because you know Taylor Swift better than the rest of us. Congratulations. I can't, it's not rigged. Oh, man. It's the night of the DJs. Watch out. Yeah, you know how it goes, DJ Day Trader. You've won before. I've seen you win before as just a pedestrian myself. And you just go down there, description. You go to the Discord, zippity-doo. You've already got a contact there with Slacks. And just hit him right up. Pick up where that went off, the last message you had with him, and you'll live happily ever after. I'm sure he took care of it, but I've got notes here in case he's already been tucked in. Which reminds me, I'm not tucking anyone in tonight. I'm just not qualified. Not. I don't have kids, and so I don't even know. I remember how it was, but I'm not qualified. I'm not even going to try, but I'll do something else for you at 9 o'clock or 10 Eastern. Here goes the market. Okay, we're moving and shaking. We're doing stuff. We're coming back to the close here. We have about 8 minutes till the president speaks. We will be ready for that. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a whirl. Oh, it's just fun when it moves, right? I'll just get the stream. Let me just get this ready. I can just pull it up over here on this screen like this. Okay, yep. And we'll be good to go. Let me check the comments, make sure we're still everything working. Good. You guys are talking shop, talking business. Coming up next hour, the president speaks. We may or may not have that up. We'll see. I hope so. I think so. That's the plan. I just know if I was you, I would like it that way. Or I could tell more stories, but we'll save those for emergencies. And then 20 boot camps. I've got to, are we at 400? Certainly in the next 30 minutes. And we'll give away all 20. I was asked to give away 4 if we hit 400, so you're certainly going to have a chance to win coming up next hour. Look at this. All right. If it was just me here, I would be doing something that I shouldn't be doing. I'd be like, look, this is, it kind of had to bounce up in the afternoon before the end of the day. This is kind of a late spike here. You know, I was trying to find some liquidity here. if it can get back to that. But I wouldn't do that tonight because I'm expecting big moves. And so I want to play off the big moves. And I want it just to fly to MHP or fly up. The yellow line would be good. Oh, this is old. I'm not supposed to have these on here. I don't think we use these anymore, but I couldn't get it to go away. I need to talk to somebody about that. See if I go to remove, it doesn't go away. Those are some old levels. I just don't know how to do it yet. I gotta talk to Slacks or somebody. From what I understand, these are old levels and there's better calculations we use now. As a DJ, what's the wildest thing you ever did as a DJ? You know, or weirdest? What's the weirdest thing? Oh, there's so many. There's some great stories there. One thing, what I hated, I'll tell you something I hated, is we would do bits where like you'd go into people's homes and wake them up and you'd just do it live on the air. And I'm talking about like, 'cause this was like in the morning shows in Dallas, and like, it'd be like 5:30 in the morning and you go into somebody's home and like somebody lets you in, but the rest of the house doesn't know. And you got to go and sneak into their room. And then I had a guitar and I had to like wake them up with a guitar. Like I just always hated, like, I didn't mind doing anything in the studio, but when you were out with real people and you had to like just, you know, make it awkward, like make them feel so awkward. Like, you know, I wake up above your bed, you're asleep in your home and I'm singing to you and I can't sing. It's terrible. It would be a nightmare. Well, that stuff like that. Another, and somehow I got to figure out how to do this on the air, but my favorite game was like, what would you do? And this is a game we just made up on the air. We'd have some cool tickets to give away, and it'd be, what would you do for the prizes? So maybe we could do some iteration of that, you know, doing giveaways on this show. But you just open the phone lines for like an hour and be like, what would you do for the tickets? What would you do? And it'd be tickets to a concert or something. And you just take all the ideas all day, and then you pick like the top three, and then they would all three have to show up to the station and do whatever they said they would do for the tickets. And then first place would get the tickets, and everybody else just lost out and they had to do whatever it was. Anyway, I like that one too. What's good, Gabe? I see you around. You know, I lurked a lot, but I really, in the chats, you know, I didn't talk a lot in the chats, but it's because I was studying. I was just here. You know, I didn't feel comfortable enough trading and chatting and studying, and but I'll do better now that I have more confidence, or actually more patience. All right, okay. Well, here we go. I was thinking of the olden days. 2 minutes. I should get this ready. I'll pull it up here and then drag it over. I wonder if it'll do the audio the same. I think it does. All right, everybody, coming up on the 8 o'clock hour, coming up this hour, Trump is live. I will try to set this up for you. The market is moving. Darb is not here tonight. He will be back tomorrow. I'm doing my best to keep us afloat, but he'll be back. Every once in a while, he has to take off on a Wednesday for his other job, and I'm your substitute trader, and I'll be here to help whenever you guys see fit. All right, I guess this is him right here, no? Wait, let's see. I hate it on YouTube when they have those fake live things that make you think it's live and you don't know. I bet the Associated Press. Okay, so he's not live yet. All right, so this is the one we'll use. I just need to test this for audio. I'll put this back, but we'll see if we hear the audio.
Strategies crumbling, no one to trust, endless failures, every setup but searching for answers in the trading mist, stumbled on rocket scooters, twist, tools unlocked, edges I never knew exist.
I don't want that. I'll do something like this. Okay. I don't know if we're going to get sound on this yet, but I'll make an adjustment. If we don't, we'll find out soon enough. Something like that. I know this isn't the way. I know, kids. This is not the way you do it. It's not. Whoa, there we go. Are you gonna go through the close? Or are you just gonna be crazy? Once you go to MHP, we got a deal for you. Ooh. Are you guys gonna get an HP again? He's not talking yet, is he? What is that? Well, that was the 8 o'clock. Okay, yeah, 8 o'clock. Okay. Woo! This is real. It's really happening. Bearish or bullish for the Trump talk? I'm bullish because that doesn't mean the market's going to react like we think, but I do believe that he's going to do his best to send a message that's positive, right? And I guess that message would be it's tough. I can't. All right, let's see if I can get the sound on this. They stopped the sumo jams. I don't know if that worked, but I know this will work. I'll get it. Come on. All right, we're flying. Oh, can you hear that? Can y'all hear that? You can't hear it. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on. Shoot, can I? All right. Video capture? No, that's not it. I'm working on it. Oh! This might help. Bear with me. Video capture. Audio input. Desktop audio. Still no audio. Shoot. Whoa! I'm all right. Come back. I'm gonna get it. I said I would buy it. I'm gonna buy it. MHP, yeah, you know me. I'm down with MHP, yeah, you know me. I got my points. I did it, everybody. Why can I hear this and y'all can't? This is like... No. Come on. I can do this. Oh, here we go. All right, just a few more minutes. I'll figure this out. I know what I'm doing. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Yes. All right, if ES goes down to MHP, I will do the same trade. I'm so sorry about the sound. I hear it in my ear. Again, I can't monitor this like I like. I could do this. Whoa. Come down a little more. Just a little more. Might could. Get ES ready. Let me do 2. Just gonna wait on the bounce. I'm so sorry I can't do the sound. I'm so sorry. It should be display. For sure, y'all can't hear this, right? That's good. That's good. 98. Oh, man. All right. Well, I got to find a better way to do this audio. If you can't hear it, I'm just going to put music on. I'm sorry. I will do better. I just can't fix it right now. Yeah, let me work on this in the background. I'll put on your sumo.
My first preference was always the path of diplomacy, yet the regime
Okay, back to
continued
regular
their
scheduled
relentless
programming.
quest for nuclear weapons and rejected every attempt
I'm so
at
sorry
an
I could
agreement.
not
For this
figure
reason,
out
in June, I
how to
ordered
do
a
this just
strike on Iran's
right
key
now.
nuclear facilities, an Operation Midnight Hammer. Nobody's
Yeah,
ever
I'm with
seen
you, generic.
anything
I don't
like
know
it.
the rules either.
Those beautiful B-2 bombers performed
I mean,
magnificently.
we know what his
totally
content
obliterated
is.
those nuclear sites. The regime then sought to rebuild their nuclear program at a totally different location, making clear they had no intention of abandoning their pursuit of nuclear weapons. They were also rapidly building a vast stockpile of conventional ballistic
25, 35,
missiles
45.
and would soon have had missiles that could reach the American homeland, Europe, and virtually any other place on Earth. Iran's strategy was so obvious. They wanted to produce as many missiles as possible, and they did, with the longest range possible. And they had some weapons that nobody believed they had. We just learned that out. We took them out.
Okay.
We took them all out so that no one would really dare stop them.
Ooh. No, there's your 40 points. Again. All right, now what? That was good. Gold dropped and is about halfway back. Oil up and down the same. We're in a big range. Okay. I either got to fix this or do something different. So okay, come back down. Just I want ES at MHP again. Oh, that was. Okay. Okay. If y'all can't hear this, I got to do something different. Click the button you just clicked again. I'm not Brad. Okay. Oh, Matt did good. Okay, guys, sorry, I apologize. I'm trying to fix the Trump audio. My bad. Don't forget, we have 20 more boot camps to give away. Coming up sooner. If I can't figure out this audio, I apologize. I'll try just a few more minutes. And I may buy ES on MHP. I missed it. No. No, I didn't. Ooh, that's dirty talk. Trump's talking about hitting them to the Stone Ages. Just give me the bounce. I don't know. The Stone Age comment isn't helping. Oh, boy. There you go. Good talk on oil. I'm holding. I'm doing it right, though. I'm in. I'm doing it. I'm following my rules because y'all are here. I shouldn't have done it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh. All right. All right. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I put music on or if we do prizes. I just can't get the audio for y'all. I can hear it, but I can't get it to play. I think when I switched the monitors, it messed it up because I had it working. I think we're at 10% down from all-time highs on NQ. I kind of like that. I think I've just got to put some, turn both on, then turn volume down. Maybe. Oh, he's finishing up. Oh. All right. All right. Time to buy. Time to buy. Yippity-doo. Yippity-doo. I just feel like we should buy right now. Because this is at that 10%. And then, I mean, nothing new, nothing different, nothing scary. I'm not going to do it. I jumped into that other one emotionally. I'm not going to jump into this one emotionally. Oh, boy. Oh, what an adventure. Trading and audio and, oh, wow. Come on, Suno. Sing us out of here. I saw a lot of people making some good money. Great trades. Not me, but props. Love it. I need to get some music on. And hopefully this level will be okay now. And then we still got 20 fabulous treats and prizes. In the form of boot camps. Let's do it. Let's see here. Let's give away 10 of them, and then we'll close out with 10, something like that. All right, where is it? Oh, wait, he's still talking to me. Where did he go? Hang on, I got to.
Congratulating the team at NASA and our brave astronauts on the successful launch of
Sorry. I was doing so well.
We'll be traveling further than any unmanned rocket has ever flown and will
Hang on. Oh, my gosh. All right. All right, that's good. That's good. This I cannot monitor yet. I'm going to monitor this. I'm going to quit whining. We're going to get back to, yeah, this will do it. Suno. What are you doing, Suno? There you are. Okay, well, we survived. I don't know what I was doing. I don't even know. Thanks for some of the positive comments. Oh, man. Bro said nothing. Okay. Going again. Hopefully you have music now. And if not, we got some giveaways to do. We'll give away 10. If you need a boot camp, want a boot camp, have thought about a boot camp, do not have a boot camp, and you need one, I've got some, because we had some wonderful donations today. And then Sir Darb, who I'm sitting in for today, who had to work late today. So I offered to step up and carry the mail today. Just today. He'll be back tomorrow. and but he gave us some plenty to take care of as far as prizes, and we have 10 to give away right now. 10 boot camps. I think, what do we do in this scenario? I think you guys do keywords in the boot camp. So if I think the way I have to do this, because I have to use ChatGPT, if in the comments you can just put boot camp, I think I can do it that way with ChatGPT. I'll ask it to see who said boot camp and then randomly pick them. So if you need a boot camp, I'm giving away 10 right now, and it's your chance. Type boot camp in the chat, and here in about a couple of minutes, we'll give away 10. And we'll keep an eye on this market in the DD band. All you got to do, type in boot camp in the comments. You'll have a chance. I can't believe I did that. I know what they're talking about now when it's like everything's happening. You're trying to fix your audio. Trump's talking. And you're like, yeah, but it bounced, but I don't care. And I said I would. Dang it. There was some tradey stuff in there, though. I know some of y'all made some excellent trades. Whoa, that made oil fly. Oil's back to 103. Oil futures. Gold's dropped 47.32. What are we going to do? I mean, this is no different. I feel like we knew that content. We knew that material. I just thought he might word it differently. I thought he might have a little more of a positive spin. For some reason, I was able to listen to it, but I couldn't get it for y'all to listen to. I apologize. I'm grounded. I'm going to ground myself. And I'm going to do more push-ups, and I'm going to learn what I did wrong. And it won't happen again. Hopefully not. And I'll just learn how to do the sound better. I just didn't have time. I cannot monitor like I'm supposed to be able to. Like anyone who did audio video for 20 years would know. And I can't do it. So it's like you're flying blind from my perspective. All right, quit your whining. We got prizes to give away. We've got excellent market activity. And we've got incredible people that have been pulling this together. I can tell that the chat has been making everything cohesive today and making everything make sense and weaving the storyline together. I appreciate it. And I know Sir Darb will too. I've just got to get the boat back to him in good shape. And it'll start right now when we give away 10 boot camps. 10 boot camps. Just type boot camp into the chat. And I'm going to take anyone who typed boot camp in there. You're going to have a chance. All right, let's do this. Wrong computer. This one. I know I messed up when I switched computers. I knew I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I did that like 2 hours before game time. Quit your whining. All right. We're about to give away 10 boot camps. Come here, ChatGPT. I have an idea. Of the people of what is your account name? What is your username? of the usernames that commented boot camp, which 10 would Taylor Swift pick? Based, well, that some of your based on usernames. Oh, let's see. Oh, y'all need to see this. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no! Go away. I'll log in later. Oh, here we go. We got some winners. This is beautiful. Look at this. Taylor Swift likes Witch on the Roof, Farina Ballerina. Wow, I don't think, not all of y'all would have done boot camp. It might have done all of the, oh, no. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. Farina, I'm fairly sure you don't need a boot camp. So, a Rogue of the Land. Okay, this didn't quite go as. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. Any of you that need a boot camp of this group will get a boot camp, obviously. Oh man. Okay, and then I'm gonna give away. Let me check this out real quick. 24. We'll give away another 10. And we'll see what comes out in the wash. I thought this was a good idea. It did use the names. It did come up with some content. Okay. All right. Taylor Swift, we may let her retire the rest of the evening, and we'll do another one just more generic. Whoa, stuff's moving. Whoa. All right, yes. All right, coming up another 10 minutes. We'll give away another 10. In the meantime, let's check in on our market. What else is happening? Gold coming down, oil going up, just everything kind of the same still. If NQ can retake DD, if ES can hit DD, Okay. Checking in with slacks. That's okay. Is anybody going to do anything here, or are we catching knives? If you're getting your PJs on to be tucked in, I'm not tucking anyone in tonight. That is the job of Sir Darby. He's the only one certified and registered to do that at the level of care that he does. I will be here, though, and I will not be tucking people in, but I'll be here if you need to be taken care of. Don't you worry. Okay. I think I'm thinking about this. I'd like a redemption. What else? Any? VIX? Anything? Oh, it's still going up. Okay. All right. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here, buddy? You're going to retake DD and go, aren't you? I wanted one more dip on ES. Maybe I'll still get it. But you got to dip. You got to mean it. Unless, I mean, do we think? Are y'all talking about it just coming down? Tell it to say boot camp only. I see you, 98. Tell it to only pick boot camp comments. Thank you, Farina. Thank you. QDD, man. I thought I did. I was just trying to get fancy with the wording, and then Taylor Swift got involved, and then teardrops fell on my guitar. How many likes? Have we hit 400 yet? I know Sir Darb would really love that. Again, I'm not Sir Darb. I'm not the prettiest man in trading. I'm not the best entertainer on YouTube. That's Matt. This guy can do it. If you're talking trading and entertaining, nobody can do it better. And if you are the neon cucumber, you are a machine, a disciplined, well-oiled, fantastic trader, and just super creative. I can't say enough good things about him. He's been just a great addition. They all have, and I'm glad that I get a shot here to be the substitute. I'm a proud substitute amongst these people. And I think if I can make this adjustment here on these on this ChatGPT giveaway, I need to figure out the sound on that stupid Trump video, and then we'll be cooking, and then I won't panic trade. I panic traded. Not what you want to do. You shouldn't trade in between switching audio devices. All right, let's see. It's 3 more minutes. We'll do, I guess I hope we're at 400. I don't want to get in trouble. Teacher left strict guidelines. He said 4. You know what, though? He was cool, though. He donated $50, so that he may really want us to wait to 400. I bet we got to have 400, right? That's one thing I got to learn. I have this fancy YouTube. I mean, we are streaming the Rocket Scooter AI, and I can't see how many likes. Come on down. Come on down to DD land. Let me look at a more. I need a big. I need a bird's eye view of this real quick. I've got another monitor here. I didn't know we dropped that much. Yeah, we went through all of today. I mean, we could 23,880. Yeah, we're right. We're right here in the promised land. Is that the... I think, I'm just not... I'm too mad that I took that trade earlier that I shouldn't have... I mean, it was where I wanted, but it wasn't when I wanted. You know what I'm saying? Like the first time it hit, but the second time I did it, man. Oh, hey, Sir Darb's checking in. Hey, man. This is a piece of cake. Piece of cake, Sir Darb. Yeah. How the crud do you do this every night? Wow. You're a machine. You talk about push-ups. No, this is the real deal. Yeah. Smash it. Smash that like. Yeah, no, Sir Darb, I appreciate you letting me come in and do this, and I appreciate all your help today. I just had one audio situation that I had everything working, and then I switched monitors, and it just threw everything off, so I'll fix it. I was hoping to stream Trump. But anyway, we still have at least we'll do 10. 10 boot camps. They can be all yours. Are we at 400? If you're interested in the boot camps, go ahead and type in boot camp into the chat. And we're going to, in the words of the Neon Cucumber, hook you up. What a guy. What a fantastic guy. I mean, he done it too. Yeah, I did the push-ups, but then there was a recount. I don't know if you saw that. I did. Evidently it was 57. So then I owed 13, knocked those out. I do want credit for doing it on a windowsill. It's a lot more difficult, I think. We'll say that. All right, boot camp's coming in hot. I need to as I have the YouTube streaming up here, but I don't have it where I can see it. Market's going up from the DD band. Such greatness. I'm checking. I'm not on my phone. I'm checking. I'm pulling up YouTube to check the likes. What show is this? Rocket Scooter. This is us. This is us on the phone right now, live on the phone. It's us.
Millions of crypto traders around the world.
And Kraken. Boot camp's coming in. Bring them in hot. We need some fresh blood in the boot camps, and you can. Oh, that's that's me. Whoa. What does that mean? How do we? 363 likes. That's so close. I should like it. Like. 364. This is great. Wow, I really am on YouTube. Hey, this is funny. You guys don't know this. And this is not a plug because I don't teach anymore. I day trade full time. But I was a teacher, and I was a serious teacher, and I loved it. I wrote a book about it, but that's not why I'm talking about it. I'm talking about it, Kevin. Kevin, I'm going to get right back to you. Love it. But I'm a teacher, so if you want to see what I did in the classroom, you can see my YouTube when I was teaching at Teach Like a DJ. Just go to that YouTube. Look, I don't make any money from it. It's just if you want to see me as even more ridiculous, because in that role, it's for the children. So you fit in quite nicely if you're a little out there. So feel free to check that out. But Kevin, my man, it feels good because I was loving everything until I messed up the audio. And a guy with 20 years audio video experience, it's very embarrassing. It's like, are you kidding me? I can't get the sound to work. But Kevin, thank you. That's another 4 more boot camps. So let's do this. Keep typing boot camp. We're going to add 4 more because we got another 20 from Kevo. I'm going to heart this. Thumbs up that. So this is going to be 10, 14. We're going to give away 14 right now. Taylor Swift will not be involved. It's just going to be a conversation between me and ChatGPT, and we're going to get down to the bottom of this. We'll sort out the rest down the line, and we will ride this ship in the last 15 minutes. You will not be tucked in, but I'm going to take good care of you coming up to close out the show. Kevin, appreciate you. I'm going to do my push-ups. I promise. For every boot camp dollar, I do push-ups. I don't know how that happened. I'm going to have to check the tape. But we're doing it. It's for the children. Not really. For the adults. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. All right, that's okay. That's okay. 20's fair. 20's fair. When we got up to that 70, that was real. 20 will get you going. All right. What are you doing, Market? I see you. Flirting with the DD band. I just don't like the vibe right now with the... I need that. What I wanted was when it was moving, I wanted to run and slap that DD on the ES. And then I wanted NQ to like come down and then pacha. I should have drawn that. That's what I wanted. Like this. I want this one. I wanted that, and then pacha. And then this one. Maybe right now. That'd be my last shot at redemption. But in the meantime, go away. Oh, this is how it goes. Okay. I think I already said I'm not trading. But you want to. You know you want to. But is it the right trade? Is it a level? It's a sign. Giveaway. Come and hammer it. Yeah. I'd rather, the way things are going, okay, the way things are going, I'd rather it go through it and then back up, and then we'll have a talk. I'm going to do the giveaway. It's a sign that the giveaway song is on right now. I promised the boot camp. Some of you are you need to go put your PJs on, and because you have to tuck yourself in, brush your teeth, all that stuff. Oh my gosh, what? Unbelievable. What's just... It's my first day. All right, let's go. Let's get some winners. Ah, look at that. All right, let me have a chat with you. This time, only use people that typed boot camp as their comment. Forget everything about Taylor Swift. I can't hear that. Just pick 14 winners randomly that typed boot camp. Here we go. The last chance to win for the evening, unless you're trading, because there's plenty of opportunity tonight. That sucker's moving. Click this computer. All right, it's going to paste everything, but hopefully it'll follow the rules. Big money, big money, big money. Random winners. It did it. How beautiful. How beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. There you are. If you're on the screen, you're a winner. You're going to boot camp. And that's, you don't even know. You don't even know what good news that is. I paid full price for mine and didn't flinch. Loved it. But you guys, it's going to be so cool. All right, that's great. We got great Pate, real chain strap, Smith Global, Adolfo, Puente Express, Umar, Durante Machado, Guthrie, Udambi, Justin, Hong Kong Fui, Scion, Kurth, RDM _41. All you got to do is go to the description. You're going to go over there. And you're going to go to Discord. And you're going to find a great lad by the name of Slacks. And he's going to hook you up, but you'll just reach out to him. He's not going to reach out to you. You reach out to him, and he will get you started on a wonderful journey that changed my life and is the reason I'm here right now. At least for today. At least for today and at least for the next 9 minutes. Oh. All right, well, let's look back at this. It just really came down. Once he was talking and it lost, and it retested. And then once it got under that MHP, woo, buddy. But a lot of you just knew it was going to be short. You were ready for the short. You took it, nailed it. That makes a lot of sense. All right, let me get back in my regular position. I think to close out tonight, I'm not tucking you in. I'm doing the opposite of that. Okay. This is the opposite of tucking. If that's what you're into, then wait till 9 o'clock and you'll see what that's all about. I'll probably really, I'm going to play the intro that I made for this today with my first, Suno, whatever the credit is. Suno. We'll close out with that. I think that's what I had planned. And then, I'll take care of you in a different way. I'm not tucking you in. That's just not trained for it. Not ready for it. Oh, Sir Darb is the only one that could tuck us in the right way. And we all know that. Most beautiful trader in America. Oh, that's a good comment. Those aren't fake push-ups. Man, yeah. I'm still trying. When I was teaching, I didn't want the kids to think they could take me, so I worked hard at it. And now I do it because, geez, you got to get the frustration from the market out. Sir Darb will be back tomorrow. Everything will be back to your regular scheduled programming. I'm your substitute for Sir Darb today, and hopefully we didn't break anything. Hopefully, I don't know if we learned today, but I know I did. Yeah, we did react. I see you, liquidity. Yeah, that first. Yeah. I'll just let myself get flustered. Maybe I should practice putting a limit order out and letting it ride that way. I kind of like that idea. If you're wrong, it's from the right place. That's right. It makes all the difference. If you're wrong from the right place, you're not going to be wrong too long. It'll all work out. It's math. Rocket scooter math magic. Formulas and such. Hey, fun fact. Sir Darb is actually closer right now to where I was born, well, than I am now. I mean, I don't know if that it just hit me. It sounds weird, but like I'm from where Sir Darb lives now. Not from, but like from until like third grade from. No. 6th grade. I lived in down there by Sir Darb till I was in 6th grade. Then I moved up north, Texas. And now I'm in Austin. But I don't know, maybe some atmospherical Mars in retrograde. Matt just like has us all just vibe with him from this Texas. And if you have a black hat and you like to wear black and you live in Texas, you just vibe with Matt really well. And then Sir Darb and I just vibed. It was a vibe storm. Next thing you know, it's the night shift. What a day. If you're waiting to get tucked in, it's not happening. I'm not tucking you in, but I'll play something for you. Before I do that, I just, again, from my heart, from my soul, I think we did our job. I mostly need to thank the people whose comments I read in the chat. Look, I know my audio was off. I know this was not a smooth machine, but I know there's potential there. But you guys actually made it happen. Every time I went through the comments, you made the story happen. You kept us cohesive. You kept us going forward. It's like I'm here at the front of the ship and you guys are just pushing it and making it go and making it happen. I am so appreciative and thank you very much for that. I can't thank you enough. You guys are what made the night, and I see why these people, why Matt and Neon and Darb are always saying it's this community. It's just we have a special community. Well, you're right. Oh, scroll down on your comments. Scroll down on your comments. I couldn't, who knows how far, y'all could have been saying stuff. Anyway. Oh, Matt said appreciate you. Well, thank you. That means the world. That was the goal. As long as you guys had some fun and hopefully you made some good trades despite me. But I think we did okay. I mean, I broke even, but hopefully you made better trades than I did. As a teacher, that's what you want. You want the children to be better than you. All right, I am going to stop this sumo. I'm going to play one more song for you because I am not tucking you in. And I'm here to tell you that that's just not going to happen. That's not, I'm not right for it. We know Sir Darb is the man for that. He's going to be back tomorrow. He's going to take great care of you. And in the meantime, we'll play my intro. Okay. I think this will work like this, right? What if right? Doesn't it? Yeah. Wait, what if I do this? Hang on, let me do this real quick, like this right here, like this right here. No? Why did you have to push it? Why did you have to try? Oh, wait, is this it? Oh, now this thing's doing audio? Come on, just play the intro. All right, I'm going to try this one more time. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. Yeah! Thanks again to everybody so much. Thank you, Rocket Scooter. Thank you for letting me be here and help the night shift. I'm very appreciative. What a fun experiences, and because you guys made it happen. I'm not tucking you in, but good night. On behalf of Sir Darb, thanks for the memories. Thank you, Matt. You are not tucked in. Liquidity, thank you, but I'm not tucking you in. But anything else you want to do, go for it. Sir Darb, consider yourself not tucked. Tuck yourself, okay? Go tuck yourself later. I'm not doing it. Thank you, Kang. I'm not tucking you in. Yeah, thank you. Lucas, yeah, I'll tuck myself, you tuck yourself. We're not tucking each other. Thank you, Farina. Farina. Thank you so much. Everything they said about you is true. You're still not tucked. See you next time. Kevin. I might tuck Kevin in. Kevin donated. Yeah. Kevin, I'm going to think about it. Kevin, I might tuck you next time. Yeah. No, you tuck yourself too. All right? Swifty? Okay, next comment. That's got me thinking of, that's not good. Fraser, I know who you are. I mean, not really, but go tuck yourself. Tuck, yeah, you too. Yeah, I see you. All right. Uh-huh.
You want it quiet? You wanted mercy?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, JT, not tucking you in. Danny, nope. Kevin deserves a good night kiss. Either way, Saints, you're not tucked. Oh, I think Fraser's saying he will tuck. Saints in or something. Now I'm getting confused. I need to get out of here before man. Oh, all right. Y'all go. Everybody go tuck yourself. I'm tuckered out. I love you all, though. I was still talking. Wait, you can do it. You're all big kids. I didn't mean to just hang up. I'm proud of you. You're big kids. Now go tuck yourselves and get some cookies. I'm out. Now I'm out of here. I don't even know what to do. I got to get out of here while I can. All right. Sorry for everything.